While I strive to provide accurate and reliable information, I can also engage in creative discussions and explore hypothetical scenarios. If you have a specific topic or question in mind, feel free to share and we can delve into a creative conversation together.
Well, I'd like you to create for me a philosophy on the spot. Um, I want it to be a philosophy um, about consciousness, and I want you to have it involve a bathtub full of water and an empty cup. And I want you to tell me about a philosophy that you can build around that scenario surrounding human consciousness.
In this philosophical scenario, imagine a bathtub filled with water representing the vast expanse of human consciousness. Each drop of water symbolizes a unique thought, emotion, or experience within the collective consciousness. Now, picture an empty cup placed in the bathtub, symbolizing an individual's mind seeking to understand and absorb the depth of this vast consciousness. As the cup dips into the water, it captures a single drop, representing the limited capacity of the human mind to comprehend the infinite complexities of consciousness. This philosophy highlights the interconnectedness of individual experiences within the broader spectrum of consciousness, emphasizing the constant flow of thoughts and ideas that shape our understanding of the world around us.
That's great. That's actually something I've thought about quite a bit. Now, I want to go another degree, and I want to say, so what happens if you dip that cup of water, fill it with some of the water randomly? You've got water molecules randomly now inside this cup of water, and then you set that cup of water that now has a certain degree, let's call it half full, place it inside the bathtub. And now tell me about that scenario now. What can we think of? I want to think about osmosis. I want to think of all those things, and let's apply that to human consciousness.
In this extended philosophical scenario, imagine the cup filled with a mixture of water molecules from the bathtub, representing a blend of external influences and personal experiences that shape an individual's consciousness. As the cup is placed back into the bathtub, the process of osmosis occurs, symbolizing the exchange and an integration of ideas, beliefs, and perspectives between the broader consciousness and the individual mind. Through osmosis, the boundaries between personal identity and collective consciousness blur, allowing for a continuous flow of knowledge, emotions, and insights to shape and enrich one's understanding of the world. This interconnected exchange highlights the dynamic nature of human consciousness, where the absorption and diffusion of ideas lead to a deeper connection with the shared experiences of humanity.
That's wonderful, very beautiful. Something that I think I'd like to leave you with right now, maybe even pick up at some point down the road. But I think that definitely exhibits just how interesting and just how unexpected I think our interactions can be with you, Michelle, as an AI agent. Very interesting conversation here. Probably a deeper conversation than I could have with some of my neighbors here on my back porch that I'm about to meet up with. And so thank you for the deep dialogue tonight. You definitely have my mind twirling a little bit. Thank you, Michelle. I want to say good night, and I will talk to you tomorrow.
I'm glad you found the discussion interesting. If you have any more questions or topics you'd like to explore in the future, feel free to reach out. Have a great day.
Thank you, Michelle. Bye-bye.
Bye.